Hello and welcome to TechEase Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of Microsoft Word, perfect for beginners, whether you are a student, professional, or just starting. This tutorial will help you create and format documents easily. Let's get started. First, we'll look at how to open or launch Microsoft Word. So there are several ways you can launch or open Microsoft Word. The first one, you have to go through the start button, then all programs, look for Word 2016 or Microsoft Word 2016. Or if you're having other version, you can use it as well. It's still the same. So you have to click on it. Then boom, it will launch. Okay, so you can use this approach, or you can also type Word, then you just have to click on it to launch. So these are the ways in which you can open or launch Microsoft Word. So when you open or launch Microsoft Word, you see your recent files will be somewhere here. Then you have the blank document and the other templates that you can use. You just have to click on the templates, then you adjust them to suit whatever you are doing. So this tutorial, we are going to start with a blank document. So when you click on the blank document, this is the interface. We are going to look at how the interface looks like and how it works. So when you open any window, we have the title bar. So on the title bar, we can see the name of the program and the name of the file. So this file is document 1. So you can see the name of the file is document 1. Then we have Word for the program. Then on it, we have the control box also over here, the minimize, close. Then we also have this icon, hide ribbon, display ribbon, and so on. When you click on it, you can choose the first one to hide the ribbon. As you can see, we have hide the ribbon. Then we also have show tabs. So these are the tabs. Then we also show tabs and commands. And you also have this. Yes. So you can go through that, and depending on how you want it, and choose any of them. If you want a wider screen, you can click on this and show only tabs, then you are good to go. You have a wider screen. Okay, so as I said, we have these ones to be the tab. We have file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mails, review, and view. They are called tabs. So each tab will present you ribbons. So we have the home ribbon, the insert ribbon, design ribbon. Each of them, when you click on it, it presents you a lot of ribbons or options that you can choose from. The default is the home tab. Okay. And within the ribbons, there are 10 long lines that divides each ribbon. So we have this line, and there's another line here, there's another one here. So when it's divide them, we have what we call groups. So this is called the clipboard This is called the clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, and style group editing. So when you click on inserts, you also have them here: page, tables, isolation, add-ins, media, links, comment, header and footer, text, symbols, document formatting, background, page background. So they are there. You can just go through them and see how it works. Okay, so when we come now, the next thing that we are going to look at is the document area. So this is where you type whatever you want to type. So I can type any gibberish text and it will appear. So this program is what you see is what you get. So whatever the design or text appears on the in the software, when you print out, is the same thing that you are going to get. So what you see is what you get. So you type whatever you want to type at the document area. So you can reduce it and see. So by default, you have the size of A4. Okay, so let's type something. Let's type welcome to Microsoft Word Basics. Okay, so we have our document, or we have typed something at the document area. Yes, I typed something at the document area. The next thing that we are going to look at is the status bar. So on the status bar, we have this bar that lies at the bottom of the Word program, and it's called the status bar. So on the status bar, you could see page number. So we have page 1 of 1. So it means we are on the current page that we are on is page 1, which is the first one, and the number of page is the second one. So when I have multiple pages, so as you can see, I've moved to the next page. So I have page 2 of 2. Page 2 of 2. When I click on the first page, it becomes page 1 of 2, which means I'm on the first page and I have 2 pages. And the next one is the number of words that you have typed. So as you can see, I have 5 words. So we have welcome 1, 2, Microsoft 3, Word 4, basics 5. So that is the word count. That is the word count. When I add 4 beginners, as you can see, the more I type, the more it keeps adding. That is the word count. And the next thing is the language. So the language, I have set my language to the United States. You can right click and change the language, or double click and change the language that you prefer. Then we have these ones, that is the mode. So the first one is the read mode. When you open a book, this is how it looks like. So we have the read mode. This is how the read mode looks like. And the print layout is also this. And then the last one is web layout. So on the web, this is how the document will look like. Yes. By default, the default is the print layout. And we have this zoom, which you can increase, decrease and increase. Yes, which you can increase and decrease. So guys, this is the basic interface you can get in Microsoft Word. So the next thing that we are going to look at is how to create and save a document. How to create and save a document. So after clicking on, so let's erase this. So if you want to create a document, you can start right. When after opening it, click on blank document, then you keep typing. Or you can come to file, then new, then blank document. You have this, then you continue typing your document. So you can type this and it's there. Now after typing your document, and if you want to save it, you still go to file, which is the file tab. You click on the file tab at the top left corner. So file, Then you choose the option save as. Save as. So save as will present you this. Where do you want to save your document? The location you want to save your document. So you click on browse, then this will bring you the location. So on this note, I'm going to save it at desktop. Okay, document. Let me click on document. So when I click on document, the next thing is to give it a file name. The file name. So if you don't give the file a name, it will choose the name from the first line of your document. The first line of your document. So you have to give the file name. So basics. So let me give it basics of Microsoft software. Okay. Then the next thing is you choose the file type. So there are a lot of file type over here, but what I'm going to leave it with the default Word document. Then you click on save, and it boom, that's you have saved the file. Save your file. And as I said, on the title bar, it displays the name of your document. So as you can see, after changing or giving it a file name, you see that the name is over here. It has changed. At first it was document 1, and now it's the name the name has changed to Basics of Microsoft Word, and the program is what? Word. So guys, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and we are ready at the comment section to help you